Is your video looking too dark, dull, or washed out? Adjusting brightness and contrast in CapCut Mobile is very simple. Open your video project in CapCut Mobile. First, tap on your video clip in the timeline to select it. Look at the bottom toolbar. Scroll right and tap on Adjust. Next, tap on Brightness. Now, drag the slider to the right to brighten dark footage, or left to darken overexposed areas. Next, tap on Contrast. Increase the contrast slider to make your colors pop and give your video more depth. You can also tap on Saturation to bring out rich colors. Here is a secret pro tip to target specific colors in your video. Inside the Adjust menu, tap on HSL. Select any individual color to make skies bluer or fix skin tones without affecting the rest of the clip. Before you exit, tap on Apply to All to color grade your whole project instantly. Tap the check mark to save your adjustments. Subscribe for more easy editing tips